Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we are here at Hollywood Studios today.
Yep, today we are going to share with you our top 5 rides here at Hollywood Studios. So come along with us and see what those top 5 are.
Alright, let's do this. For our countdown here at Hollywood Studios, we are at number 5.
We are, so we brought you here to Toy Story Mania. We had a hard time deciding what our number 5 would be. There are a lot of great rides here at Hollywood Studios, but this one is just fun. You get to ride and play against each other. It's a competition where you're trying to get points, and it's lots of fun.
Yeah, we just have a great time when we ride this. We always see who gets the better score at the end. Yeah, it's always pretty close at the end, but I usually come out on top. She thinks she does, but it's usually me. So it's a lot of fun. So we thought we'd put this on our list as number 5. So come along with us and we'll show you some clips from inside. Alright, continuing on our countdown of best rides at Hollywood Studios, we come to number 4.
Yep, number 4 for us is going to be Slinky Dog Dash. We both agreed it comes in a solid number 4. It's fun, it's silly, and it brings me the giggles every time. So it's fun to be a little toy.
Yeah, it's not an overly extreme coaster like Rockin' Roller Coaster is here at Hollywood Studios, but it is a whole lot of fun for the entire family, and we enjoy it a lot. So let's take you in and show you some of the best parts.
Yep.
Alright, we couldn't have our countdown of best rides at Hollywood Studios without number 3, which is...
Hollywood Tower of Terror, back behind us.
That's right. We're ready to go on and take you on and show you what it's all about. Let's go do this.
Come along with us.
Into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that.
And a countdown of best rides at Hollywood Studios would not be complete without
Rockin' Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith. It's definitely my number 1. What about
and
you,
I'd have to
Minnie?
give it a number 2 on my list, but hey, it's still up there.
It definitely is. So if you are like a big adrenaline junkie, if you like speed, if you like your heart to get pumping you're riding rides, this is definitely the one for you.
Definitely, it is for those adrenaline-seeking people, that's for sure. 0 to 60 in just a matter of seconds. This ride is intense,
Yep,
that's
it
no
goes
question.
upside down for sure, so it is amazing.
Mostly in the dark, so it's a lot of fun. We're going to take you inside and show you some different clips from it. So here we go.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please get in.
All right, continuing our countdown of best rides at Hollywood Studios. We can't not have the list without Rise of Resistance.
Yes, so for me it is my number 2 ride here at Hollywood Studios. I love the trackless ride. I think it's amazing, but for me it cannot be beat by Rockin' Roller Coaster. So
For me, it is definitely number 1. This ride, there's nothing else like it. Around, love this ride, love every aspect of it. It has the drop, has the trackless aspect of it. Just has a different combination of all different rides put together to form one amazing ride. I love this ride. Definitely deserves to be number 1 on the list of rides here at Hollywood Studios. Super excited to go in and ride it. Just come along with us and we'll take you along.
okay, come on.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer.
And now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this person.
Prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
So that's going to close up our day here at Hollywood Studios, taking a look at our top 5. So what'd you think?
Yeah, we've had a great time riding rides here. There's so many great rides at Hollywood Studios. Honestly, that's a big reason why people love Hollywood Studios, because there are so many great rides here. So I'd be curious to hear what some of their top 5 would be. So if you are interested in telling us what your top 5 would be, insert those in the comments below.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, I agree totally. If you want thrills, if you want chills, Hollywood Studios is definitely the park to come to. It has all the big rides, has the upside down rides, has the fast going rides, has the thrill seeking rides. So that's definitely the place to come is Hollywood Studios if you're into those type of things. So lots of great rides here at Hollywood Studios. Had a great time today. So let's wrap this up.
Yep, thanks for taking the time to watch our top 5 of Hollywood Studios. And until next time, we will see you real soon.
Bye guys.
Bye.